Hello and welcome to Daddy Fever. 5 healthy smoothie recipes for weight gain. So, here are 5 healthy smoothie recipes for weight gain packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. Number 1. Peanut Butter Banana Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 banana, 2 tablespoons peanut butter, 1 cup whole milk or almond milk, 1 scoop protein powder, optional, 1 tablespoon honey, half a cup Greek yogurt. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth. Adjust thickness with more milk if needed. Number 2. Avocado Chocolate Smoothie. Ingredients: 1/2 ripe avocado, 1 cup almond milk or whole milk, 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or maple syrup, 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, optional, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Instructions: blend until creamy and enjoy a rich, nutrient-dense smoothie. Number 3. Oatmeal Blueberry Smoothie. Ingredients: half a cup rolled oats, 1 cup whole milk or a plant-based alternative, 1 cup frozen blueberries, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1 scoop vanilla protein powder, optional. Instructions: blend oats and milk first, then add the rest of the ingredients for a high-calorie, fiber-rich smoothie. Number 4. Mango Coconut Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen mango chunks, half a cup coconut milk, 1 scoop protein powder, optional, 1 tablespoon flaxseed oil, half a cup Greek yogurt. Instructions: blend until smooth for a tropical, high-fat, and high-calorie treat. Number 5. Strawberry Almond Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen strawberries, 1 cup almond milk, 2 tablespoons almond butter, half a cup oats, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 scoop protein powder, optional. Instructions: blend all ingredients until smooth, adding more milk if necessary for desired consistency. These smoothies are calorie-dense with healthy ingredients that can support muscle gain and weight management goals. Thank you for watching.